What is up, my dudes? It's your girl Brandy, and this is my tutorial slash advice video that is in addition to my rant video that I put up on my channel earlier. And basically, I touched on a couple things in that video. If you didn't watch it, I'll put a link over here so you can go check it out. I ranted a lot in it, but I did touch on that there are certain things that you can do to help grow your community. Now, I'm not saying I'm some huge name streamer. I'm not saying that I make tons of money and, I can bathe in it because there's just so much. But I have built a community that shows up to every stream. I consistently have people that support me, that follow me, that look out for me. And that is not something that happened overnight. So here are a couple of tips and helpful things of advice to help you to build your community on Twitch. First advice I have, nobody is going to try to find you as a streamer. Nobody is actively searching to find that person that's got one viewer that's playing League of Legends or Fortnite or, Call of Duty. Nobody's looking for you. You need to make yourself known. And to do that, you need to network. You need to post. You need to be your own cheerleader, okay? So my advice, first thing that you can always do, I highly, even if you are not somebody that uses Facebook, I highly recommend joining a bunch of different groups on Facebook that are streamer groups, Twitch community groups, things like that. You will have to sort through which groups are strictly people just posting follow for follow and just link drop groups. So you have to differentiate those groups between groups that are actual communities, those link drop groups and such. Not discrediting them at all, but it's not going to help you grow. Look for the groups that are actual communities of people that want to talk, that want to work together, and want to help each other out. Some of the communities I'm a part of that are on Facebook are the Twitch streamers group, the Twitch.tv streamers group, and the TSAN group. These are groups that I post to almost every single time that I go live. And those communities have really helped to grow my stream, and they've helped to connect me with a lot of other streamers that I absolutely love. So, getting into those groups on Facebook, super important. Utilize Discord servers. I struggle with this a lot because I'm horrible at Discord, and I've joined so many that I lose track of them. But if you are part of communities on Twitch or other streamers that have Discords, use their Discords, post in their Discords when you go live. Talk to different people in the community, get to know them, and then if people actually invest time into knowing who you are, they're going to be more likely to show up to your stream. And Discord is a great way to make friends, to talk to people, to play games with people, to connect with them. Use that. Make sure you create your own Discord for your stream. I think that is so important. Create a Discord from your stream and promote it and push people in your community to post in it and to be active in it. That will form more of a community by bringing those that are at your stream together. So it's going to promote them to keep coming back if they have more friends in the community other than just you. If you have social media, post every time that you go live. Post on your social media. Even if you have 50 followers on Twitter or whatever social media you have. First off, make a Twitter, make an Instagram, have a Facebook, have a Reddit. All of these things are really helpful. And if you post that you're going live, that's just one more person that's going to see your stream that's going to come through. Whether, these are followers you don't know, these are friends you've had for years, whatever. Post to social media. Make sure people are aware that you're going live. Make sure you have a schedule too, because then those people can repeatedly come back to your stream at those times. If you don't post and you don't do anything, I know Twitch has a notification thing that will notify people when you go live, but look at those numbers. How many people actually have those alerts turned on? Very few. I have over 6,000 followers on Twitch. And I have maybe about 2,000 of those followers have notifications turned on. So you're not going to get your full reach there. So post to social media. Post. Whether you have 50 followers or 50,000. Post. Okay? Fourth bit of advice. Join Twitch communities. Join as many as you want. Okay, my active community that I have on my stream is TSAN. They're the group that I joined, one of the first ones I joined that I've just stuck with. I love the people there. I support them. So I chose that as my active one. But some people don't know, you can be a part of, as far as I know, an unlimited amount of Twitch communities. I think currently I am a part of, I want to say 9, maybe 10. I'm not sure. You can be part of multiple communities, and being part of multiple communities is good if you utilize it properly. Just being part of communities and not communing with those people doesn't do anything. But if you join a new community, click on that link that shows who's live in that community. Jump into those streams, meet new people, talk to new people. You're going to find new connections, which is ultimately going to grow your community because you're meeting other communities that are going to want to clash together. Okay? So branching out to meet more people through joining these different communities is a great way to network and to continue to grow your own little stream family. Okay? Especially considering that this was not always something that was available on Twitch. Now that it is, utilize it. That will definitely help you build a community because you just meet a lot of new people through doing that. Also, just a general statement, you have streaming is a very extroverted thing. If you are super introverted, that's okay. Okay? That is fine. But in terms of growing your stream, you need to get comfortable with reaching out to others, with meeting new people, going into other people's streams, going into other people's discords, talking to people, putting yourself out there for potential criticism in the hopes that you can meet new people that could potentially help you and you can help each other. You need to put yourself out there. And I know that's not always the easiest thing to do, but it's something that's going to help in the long run. Ultimately, I don't know where you may be at in what you're trying to achieve on Twitch or Mixer or Facebook or YouTube, whatever platform it is that you stream on. Hopefully these tips can be helpful in growing your community. And if you guys have any further questions, please let me know in the comments down below. Hopefully this video can help you guys just a little bit to grow your community. And yeah, I think that's about it. Hopefully this helps. And until next time, guys, peace out and fair winds, my dudes. I love you guys. Bye-bye.